Priority encoder. This is one of the type of encoder. Before going to discuss about priority encoder, let us see the concept of encoder. This is a truth table of 4 to 2 encoder. We know that in encoder at any time only one input should be high. If more than one inputs are active high, then the encoder produces an incorrect output. Okay. For example, if both y2 and y1 are active high, that is both y2 and y1 are active high. For this case, let us see what is the output of 4 to 2 encoder. This is the 4 to 2 encoder. Here there is no need to consider y0, because if all inputs are zeros, then outputs are also zeros. So for 0 0 case, defaultly y0 is enabled. So here there is no need to consider this y0. Coming to this case, y3 is 0, y2 is high and y1 is also high. So the output of this OR gate is 0 1 means 1, and here 0 0 1 means 1. So both A1 and A2 are 1. That is, if y2 is equal to 1 and y1 is also equal to 1, then the encoder produces the binary code 1 1, but this 1 1 is corresponds to y3. This 1 1 is corresponds to y3, that is y3 is enabled, but actually y3 is low at input lines. So here the encoder produces an incorrect output. So the encoder will produce an incorrect output if more than one inputs are active high. So in order to overcome this difficulty, we should assign priorities to each input of encoder, and the output of encoder will be the binary code corresponds to the active high input which has higher priority. So this is called as priority encoder. That is, this at this priority encoder we assigned the priorities to each and every inputs, and based on that priority that respective input will be served. Okay. Here I am considering 4 to 2 priority encoder. It has 4 inputs y0, y1, y2, y3 and 2 outputs a0 and a1. Here I am assigned highest priority to y3 and lowest priority to y0. The assignment of priorities depends upon the designer. Here y3 has highest priority. The priority is decreasing. Now coming to the truth table of 4 to 2 priority encoder. So if all inputs are zeros, then the output of this priority encoder is invalid. And here I am considering one extra output line which represents whether the output of priority encoder is valid or not. So it is, if V is equal to 0 represents the output of priority encoder is invalid. So next, if y3 is equal to 0, y2 is also equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0, only y0 is equal to 1. Then the outputs are 0 0. So 0 0 means 0. y0 will be enabled. So this is also a valid output. y0 line is served. Next, 0 0 1. So if y1 is 1, then there is no need to consider y0 value. y0 may be 0 or 1. So there is no need to consider this y0 since y1 has the highest priority when compared to y0. Okay, so y0 is y1 is served, y0 is don't care. So outputs are 0, 1. So 0, 1 means 1. So y1 is enabled. So y1 is going to be served. This is also a valid output. Next, y3 is 0, y2 is 1, and there is no need to consider y1 and y0 values. So because y2 is enabled, so there is no need to consider these two values. So these are don't cares. So y1 and y0 are don't cares when y2 is high. And the outputs are 1, 0. 1, 0 means 2. y2 line is served. And here y3 is high and there is no need to consider the remaining all the inputs, and these are negligible if y3 is high because y3 has the highest priority and the corresponding output is 1, 1, that is 3. So y3 is high. For example, in this case y3 is high and y2 is also high, and the priority encoder will serve y3 only. It doesn't consider y2 since y3 has the highest priority. Okay, so this is the logic of priority encoder. Let us design this priority encoder. For that purpose we need K-map, and this K-map is for output A1, and this output A1 is high for y2 is high, y2 is 1. So y2 is 1 in these two cases, y2 is 1 in these two cases, and remaining y1, y0 are don't cares. So in order to get y2 value, y3 should be cancelled. So only y2 is enabled. So we have to map all these cells. Okay, so here all the terms will be get cancelled, and here y3 is also gets cancelled. Only y2 is appeared here. Next, and a1 is also high for y3. So y3 is 1. So y3 is 1 in these two cases, 1, 1. Okay, so we have to consider these two rows. Here already ones are there in these cells, so there is no need to place again ones. We have to place ones here. Okay, so in first case y2 is high, so y2 is 1 in these two cases, remaining ones are don't cares. And next a1 is high for y3 only, so y3 is 1 in these two rows, so we have to place ones in these two rows. And the mapping for a1 is we can map these 8 ones, and we can map these 8 ones. So mapping should be in the order of 2, 4, 8, 16 like that. So these 8 ones and these 8 ones. This is 1, this is 2, and the logic equation for a1 is equal to, for this mapping y2 is cancelled, only y3 plus in this mapping also all these terms are cancelled, only we get y2. So the equation for a1 is equal to y3 plus y2. Next, similarly for a0 the mapping is like this. Let us see. So a0 is high when y1 is high and y3 y2 are zeros and y0 is don't care. So y3 y2 are zeros and only y1 is high. So y1 is 1 in these two cells, so we have to place ones here. So y3 y2 are 0 0 and y1 is 1 and y0 is don't care. Next, a0 is high for y3 is equal to 1 and remaining ones are don't care. Here y3 is 1 for these two rows, so and remaining ones are don't care, so we have to place ones in these two rows. Next we can map these 8 ones and these 4 ones, and the equation for a0 is equal to, so here y2 is cancelled, only we get y3, so entire row, so y1 y0 terms also cancelled. For this mapping only we get y3 plus, and here these two rows means y3 gets cancelled, y2 is 0, that is y2 dash, and these two cells here y1 is gets cancelled, sorry y0 is gets cancelled, only we get y1 term. Okay, y2 dash y1 plus y3, this is the equation for a0. So similarly we get the boolean, and this is the logic equation for valid output v is equal to y3 plus y2 plus y1 plus y0, and this can be obtained by using K-map, or we can directly write it from the truth table, that is v is equal to, so v is enabled for y0 plus y1 plus y2 plus y3, and this is the logic diagram of 422 priority encoder, and this is designed by using simplified Boolean equations. And a1 is equal to y3 plus y2 and a0 is equal to y3 plus y2 dash into y1, v is equal to y3 plus y2 plus y1 plus y0. And let us see how this priority encoder will work if more than one inputs are active high. For example, y3 is 1 and y2 is 0, y1 is 1, y0 is 0. Actually y3 should be served. Let us check how it work. Yeah, it will work. So y3 is 1, so here 1, and this is y2, so here also here 0, and the output of this circuit is 1. Here a0 is y3 plus y2 dash into y1, so y3 means 1 plus y2 dash is 1, so 1 1 is 1, here also we get 1. Next, so a0 and a1 are 1 1 1, so 1 1 means this is corresponds to y3. Even though y1 is enabled, y3 is served because it has highest priority. And coming to the valid output case, so y3 is 1 y0 is 0, y2 is 0, and y1 is 1, and y0 is 0. So output is 1. So output of priority encoder is a valid output. So like this, the priority encoder will serves the highest priority input line.